Coze versus Dify. Which AI app builder is better? Choosing the right AI app builder can transform how you create applications without complex coding. Coze offers simplicity, while Dify focuses on customization and scalability. Coze and Dify are two leading AI app builders designed to simplify app creation. The core difference lies in Coze's user-friendly, no-code approach versus Dify's powerful, customizable platform aimed at developers seeking flexibility and advanced integrations. Coze is a no-code AI app builder designed to help users create AI-driven applications quickly and easily. It works through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, allowing users to integrate AI models without writing code. Coze excels in simplifying complex AI workflows, making it accessible for non-technical users and small businesses. Its strengths include fast deployment, pre-built AI components, and seamless integration with popular AI models, enabling users to build chatbots, recommendation systems, and more. However, Coze has limitations in customization and scalability, as it primarily targets users who prefer simplicity over deep technical control. This makes it ideal for entrepreneurs, marketers, and teams looking to prototype or deploy AI apps without heavy developer resources. Overall, Coze offers a streamlined experience with a focus on ease of use, perfect for those who want to leverage AI quickly without technical barriers. Dify is an AI app builder focused on offering a highly customizable and scalable platform for developers and advanced users. It provides a flexible environment where users can build AI applications with fine-grained control over AI model integration, data handling, and workflow automation. Dify supports complex use cases by allowing custom scripts, API integrations, and modular AI components. Its strengths include scalability for enterprise-level projects, robust customization options, and support for multi-model orchestration. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve and requires some programming knowledge, making it less suitable for beginners or those seeking rapid no-code solutions. Dify is ideal for developers, data scientists, and organizations needing tailored AI applications that can evolve with their business needs. It enables building sophisticated AI-powered apps such as intelligent assistants, analytics dashboards, and automated workflows with precision. In summary, Dify delivers a comprehensive and adaptable platform for users who want full control and scalability in their AI app development. Comparing Coze and Dify highlights a trade-off between ease of use and customization. Coze shines in rapid app creation with minimal technical skills, perfect for startups and marketing teams needing quick AI solutions. Its drag-and-drop interface and pre-built components reduce development time but limit advanced customization. On the other hand, Dify suits developers and enterprises requiring flexible, scalable AI apps. It supports complex workflows and integrations, but demands programming expertise and longer setup time. For example, a small business wanting a chatbot might prefer Coze for its simplicity, while a tech company building a multi-model AI system would benefit from Dify's depth. Both platforms enable AI app development but cater to different user profiles and project complexities, making the choice dependent on your technical skills and app requirements. Choose Coze if you want a fast, no-code AI app builder that prioritizes simplicity and quick deployment without needing technical expertise. Opt for Dify if you need a highly customizable, scalable AI platform with advanced features and don't mind a steeper learning curve. Both Coze and Dify excel in their domains, so pick the one that best fits your technical skills and project goals.